Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian, two powerful tools for knowledge management and productivity. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for teams managing projects, tasks, and structured data through its versatile databases and pages. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a local-first knowledge base, built on plain text markdown files, making it exceptional for personal knowledge management and creating intricate networks of interconnected ideas. We will explore their core differences, features, and ideal use cases to help you decide which platform best suits your needs. Notion provides a comprehensive suite of features, including flexible databases, Kanban boards, and calendars, making it an excellent choice for teams needing structured workflows and project management. Obsidian, conversely, offers a unique graph view, powerful backlinks, and an extensive plugin ecosystem, which are perfect for building a personal knowledge graph and connecting ideas deeply. Notion's cloud-based platform ensures real-time collaboration, while Obsidian's local file storage guarantees complete data ownership and robust offline capabilities, catering to different user priorities and work styles. Both Notion and Obsidian offer significant customization, though their approaches vary. Notion provides numerous official templates and integrates with many popular web services, and its API allows for advanced automation and data synchronization. Obsidian, however, truly shines with its vast community plugin library, offering hundreds of ways to personalize and extend its functionality. Its open-source nature fosters a highly adaptable and extensible environment, driven by an active user community. This allows users to tailor their experience to an incredibly granular degree, making it a powerful tool for specific, niche workflows. When considering pricing and data ownership, both platforms offer compelling options. Notion provides a free personal plan with substantial features, alongside tiered paid plans for teams needing more advanced functionalities. Obsidian also offers a free tier for personal use, with paid options for commercial licenses and its optional sync service. A key difference lies in data storage. Notion's data lives on their cloud servers, offering convenience and backup. Obsidian, conversely, stores all your files locally, granting you complete data ownership and enhanced privacy, a significant factor for many users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.